Hello and welcome to Inspire Civils. Today we are to discuss about NATO, its changing dynamics. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, is currently undergoing a pivotal transformation that will reshape its role and influence in global security dynamics. Established in 1949 to provide collective defense against the Soviet threat, NATO has traditionally relied on US military might to protect its European allies. However, recent strategic shifts indicate a reallocation of responsibilities, necessitating European nations to take more initiative in their own defense as the US pivots its focus towards the Indo-Pacific region. This evolution signals the beginning of a new era for NATO, where the balance of defense duties will shift towards Europe while still maintaining vital US support. The US National Security Strategy 2025 underscores NATO's significance while pressuring European countries to enhance their defense spending, with a new benchmark set at 5% of GDP. While the US reaffirms its commitment as NATO's nuclear guarantor and strategic enabler, its reduced role in conventional military operations signifies a transformative approach. This strategic redistribution is, in part, a response to the growing influence of China, prompting an urgent need for Europe to fortify its independent defense capabilities, in addition to its commitment to NATO's collective security. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has acted as a catalyst for NATO's transformation. Following Russia's 2022 invasion, the US initially ramped up troop deployments but has since begun scaling back, conveying a clear message that European nations must develop their military strengths. The upcoming 2026 NATO summit is expected to reaffirm collective defense commitments and encourage increased military assistance to Ukraine while developing long-range strike capabilities led by Europe. This marks a definitive shift from NATO 1.0's focus on deterring Soviet advances to NATO 3.0's goal of achieving a balanced partnership where Europe assumes primary responsibility for conventional defense while still benefiting from US strategic capacities. For India, the transformation of NATO resonates on multiple strategic levels. As the US reallocates its focus to the Indo-Pacific and strengthens its alliances, India stands to benefit from a more robust European defense landscape. This opens avenues for collaboration in defense manufacturing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and advanced technology, providing a counterbalance to China's growing assertiveness. As NATO evolves, the blend of US support and a strong European defense posture will undoubtedly influence the geopolitical landscape, creating new opportunities for India to engage on global security issues.